Welcome back. Happy Easter to everyone. Got ourselves a 10-pound spiral bone-in ham here. We're gonna hit that with some Lane's Island Dust. We want to get it in between each of the pieces, like so. So we're gonna spread the pieces out. Make sure we get it in between. Gonna get the bottom, the top, and then we're gonna let it sit for a while. All right, so now we're gonna make our glaze. We've got 6 ounces of pineapple juice in here. We're gonna do 3 cups of brown sugar. And we're gonna add in some Kinda Sweet. We're gonna let that sit overnight, reheat it, and then we're gonna glaze our ham in the morning. All right, we've added that brown sugar right into the pineapple juice and we're mixing it up. Now we're gonna add just a few squirts of honey. 1. Beautiful. A little more. Honey's good for you. You don't want to make it too sweet. I'm sweet enough. All right, we're gonna mix this up, and then we're gonna hit it with that Lane's. All right, now we're gonna toss in about a half a bottle or so of this Kinda Sweet. Yeah, it's probably close to a half. Oop. Now we're gonna mix that. Look at that. It smells really good. Let's taste it. Wow. Baby, that's good. All right, we're gonna let this cook a little bit. We're gonna let it reduce and make it really a nice thick glaze. Delicious. All right, one more for the road. Banging. What's up, everybody? All right, we've got the ham on. Just wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like. We made the glaze last night. We threw this on probably about an hour ago, a little over an hour ago. But we are waiting for it to get up to 145, and then we're gonna pull it off. But in the meantime, I will re-glaze it, and I'll show you what that looks like. All right, we hit it with a little extra glaze. Now we're gonna hit it with some extra island dust on top. Give it a little crunch, a little crackle. Now we're gonna let it continue to smoke. All right, we hit it with some extra glaze. We took it off, and now we're gonna let it rest in tin foil.